How to make money daily with OKX Trading Bot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make money daily with OKX Trading Bot. First things first, what is the trading bot? Well, OKX Trading Bot is a built-in tool on the OKX crypto exchange that automates trading strategies instead of constantly watching the market. The bot does the work for you, executing trades based on predefined strategies and conditions. It is great for beginners who want to automate their trades and for advanced users looking to enhance their strategies. Now, how you can make daily profit? Now, first you can head into exchange option, and there you want to log in and head into the trade section, and you want to head over to OKX Trading Bot. Now, first things first is to choose your strategy. The two best strategies for this is the greed trading. That is perfect for volatile markets. The bot buys low and sells high, profiting from small price fluctuations throughout the day. The second is dollar cost averaging, DCA. This strategy invests a fixed amount regularly. While it is more for long term, it is steady and consistent. Now, you can set up grid trading for daily profits. For daily profits, I'll recommend starting with the grid trading. You can select your coin and set a price range that fits its volatility. Then choose the number of grids. This will determine how often the bot buys and sells. Then set your investment amount and let the bot handle the trades. The bot will automatically buy when the price drops and sell when it rises, earning you small profits multiple times a day. You can also maximize daily earnings. Choose volatile coins that moves with your grid range. Monitor and adjust the price range if the market shifts. Start small, then scale up as you get more comfortable with the strategy. That's how you can make money daily using the OKX Trading Bot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.